probably wondering why I didn't mention any type of dating in her life. Well, that was because it was never a priority to her until she met this one guy. I distinctly remember my mom calling me and saying, I think she's gonna marry him, after like the third time they hung out. And here we are. Mama definitely knows best.
One look at you, my whole life.
Kendall, the day has finally come. I've dreamed of this day ever since our first date. After that date, I remember feeling scared. Scared that you might not feel the same way towards me. I thought to myself, maybe I blew it. Maybe I just missed my shot at the most beautiful girl that I've ever seen. But in the days, the months, and the years that we've spent together assured me that you were the one for me. We were meant for each other.
I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love you. The way you love
Colin, the love of my life, my best friend. Since the day I met you, I knew you were someone special. You're caring, funny, loving, and compassionate. I never thought walking into my internship at One Oak that I would meet the man of my dreams and the person that I would spend the rest of my life with.
Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. 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 And they say love is a journey, a promise that I'll never leave. And when it's too heavy to carry, remember this moment with me.
Because of the commitments that you two have made to each other before God and these witnesses, I now pronounce you man and
I
wife.
get to love.
Wait a second.
Hold the phone here.
I get to love.
Let everyone recognize and respect this holy union now and forever. May God bless you and keep you. Colin, you may kiss your bride.
Colin is the life of the party. They complement each other so well. Kendall makes Colin eat healthy, and Colin makes Kendall stay up past 8 p.m. They truly are a match made in heaven.
I am so proud of who Colin. I mean, honestly, and we've grown up with great parents, great childhood. We kind of grew up being very competitive. One thing that you're going to like to hear is Colin will be competing for your love for the rest of his life. I can promise you that. You're my younger brother, man. I love you for the rest of my life. I'm so happy for you. Seeing you on that altar kind of brought a tear to my eye, man. And I'm happy for you, bro.
I feel like windows roll down, you see Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Like when I close my